So guys, here is a short video clip on sleeve cuffs. I normally do make use of collar stays to cover my cuffs. So pay attention closely on how I'm going to install the cuff on the sleeves. As you can see, after you are done turning the cuff on the sewing machine, you have to make sure you iron properly so that the cuff can relax very well. I call this method the clipping method, although there are other methods to install your sleeve cuffs, but to me this is a bit more easier, more faster. The other method which you have to sew and turn, but this one you just have to install the cuff directly on the sleeve. Just pay close attention to what I'm doing. So I'm done ironing the cuff. So this is what we have. You can see how pretty it is. Now I'm about to install it on the sleeve. As you can see, take your time, you don't have to rush. See the way I'm installing the sleeve inside the cuff gently. We're almost done. Alright, now I'm about to sew around the cuff with about 0.5 inch. This will give it that beautiful look around the edges of the cuff. We are almost done. Take your time, you don't have to rush. Here we have our cuff. Thanks for watching. I hope you gain value. Bye for now.